I did. Hey, my name is Amira. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with such a scary and exciting video. I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys, but I'm also kind of low-key scared because I don't want it to look like I'm flexing online. But one of my friends actually said, Amira, you gotta do an unboxing. You need to do it. So, I'm just doing it because it was, suggested and requested. Before we jump in, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I do lots of makeup and fashion type videos. So I find this concept kind of weird, unboxing an item, whereas usually I do like a whole try on haul or something where I've got, at least 5 to 10 outfits or something. So I thought I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the story behind why I chose what I got and how it was when I was going to the store and everything, because I was really nervous. So I absolutely love the black Gucci belt that everyone's been wearing, all of the fashion bloggers. It looks so gorgeous. It kind of seems to match everything. You can dress it up, dress it down. It just seems like such a beautiful statement, but I don't like having what everyone else has. It's not my style. I don't like copying people. I don't like having what they have. If I see something I like, yeah, okay, I sometimes might, but I don't know, I feel like when there's a big trend, when everyone seems to be doing something, I don't want to do it. I don't want to be exactly like everyone else. I don't know why, I don't know what's going on. That's just probably a personal issue that I have to work through, but I just really try to, avoid copying people. That's not my deal. Since I generally kind of avoid black, I say, while wearing a black jacket, but I usually go for more blushes and nudes and creams and everything. So I thought, oh, how about I get one of them in cream, or I get the tan one or something, so that way it's gonna be, different to what everyone else has, and it's gonna fit in with my capsule wardrobe of, staples, because those kind of colors all kind of work together still really well, I think. So I was looking at all of them online and I was like, yeah, I think I want this. I'm not sure. I want to see the exact color in person, and I want to try it on and see, the exact size that I want, because I do have a really small waist and I like wearing high-waisted things, so I wanted the belt to be able to do up quite tight around my waist. I was really nervous. I was actually going to go by myself a day or two before, but I was just so scared for some reason. I felt like I was going to be judged in Gucci. I thought people could be staring at me like, you don't belong here. So I waited until Steph came around and we went to Gucci together at Chadstone. We were so lucky. We had the most amazing, helpful assistant ever. His name was Jasper, so shout out to Jasper. He was so sweet, and he went and got the belts for me to try on, and he could tell that I wasn't in love with the cream or the tan kind of belts that I was, kind of thinking about. And so I thought, oh, you know what, I'll just try the black one. So he went and he got the black one for me to try on, and he was looking at us and he knew that wasn't really what I wanted. He could just tell that I deep down wanted something a little bit different, and we're kind of looking at this massive one. I'm going to put a picture in it here because I tried it on. This massive Gucci belt with the pearls all through it, and I was like, oh my god, I freaking love this. I love it, but it was like $1,500. I love it, but low-key couldn't quite justify it. Then I nearly spent that much anyway, so it's so beautiful, but being that thick band, you can't wear it with jeans or anything, so it would only be over jumpsuits and dresses and stuff like that. And while I can envision so many things that it would look really beautiful with, I kind of thought I need to be a little bit more practical, so I was like, I love it, but no. And he actually told me that massive one came in the regular size one that I was looking at in the other belts. So I was like, I have to try it. I'd seen that pearl style on the website when I was looking, and I kind of thought it looked really hideous online. I was like, ugh. And then when I came into the store and it wasn't on, it was just on the mannequin, I was like, put it on myself. In love. If we open this up, we have the other little accessory that I bought, so we'll save that one for next. So when we pull it out, this is the box, and it's wrapped up with the ribbon, and it's so beautiful. I told Jasper when he was doing it that we were gonna do an unboxing, and he's like, okay, I'll make sure I wrap it really nice for you. It's absolutely stunning. The box is beautiful. I've never bought a designer piece before, so I feel like this is quite special. I want to be able to keep the box because it's also really beautiful. The ribbon is so thick, and then it just says Gucci all the way around. It's absolutely stunning. So let's open him up. So you open up the box and there is the beautiful dust bag inside. I never used to keep dust bags for anything, but I think I'm gonna have to make an exception. And it was so funny because I was looking at these other belts as well in there. They had the more smooth kind of logo and stuff on them, and they were like a smidge smaller, but they were more smooth, and I thought that would look really nice and fancy. But then we kind of were thinking like it's probably going to scratch really easily. I had this image of the girls, my little doggies, coming up and jumping on me and just scratching on it as soon as I got home the first time I wore it, and I was like, no, I can't. And this one is gonna be so perfect. Oh my goodness, I just pulled it out, it's so beautiful. So this is the belt that I ended up getting. I don't know how Jasper knew that this was just gonna be perfect for me. I don't think I'd started YouTube then, but I used to wear pearls every single day. I had some little pearl earrings, I had this pearl necklace, no dirty jokes guys, but it was just like this really nice pearl necklace, and it just like, I just absolutely loved it. I wore it every single day, never took it off. It was just so gorgeous. So this is just so perfect because it's got the pearls in it and it's just my personality, and I haven't really seen anyone with this one with the pearls in it. I just see everyone with the normal one, and this one's just like, I don't know, it's just so much more me, and I'm just so happy that, you know, Jasper could tell and took the time to actually, you know, show me something that, you know, he wanted me to keep trying until he found the one that I wanted. Like, he could have just taken my money, that was fine, but you know, he took the time to find something that I really love, and I'm so grateful for that. And I was slightly worried that maybe one of the pearls might fall out, but I was told that they have a 2-year warranty, so they won't cover stuff like scratches because that's obviously your fault. So if one of the pearls came out within the first 2 years, they will replace it for you. They just have to order it. For other things, if something breaks or, you know, whatever that's covered under warranty, they'll send it off to get fixed. But they told me that the pearls are generally quite a quick fix because they can just order like the one size and replace it. So I'm pretty excited about that. And then after the 2 years, you know, you'll have to pay, but you know, they can still do that for you. They can get the correct size as well. So that was really exciting because I was kind of worried, like, what if I lose one? And I mean, it's kind of good because if I had the normal one, if it got scratches, I'd be really annoyed. But with the pearls, if one of them comes out, then, you know, you can still replace it, which is also really cool. So I absolutely adore this belt already. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So I was just trying it on, because I tried it on in the store, and I was just trying it on now because I was doing like a fashion thing, and it was way too big. I'm gonna insert a photo here. So I quickly went to the store to swap it over. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize because I went and tried it on with jeans that sat about here. So they're like high-waisted jeans. But then I was wearing it with these black pants that you see in that photo, and I put it around my natural waist. So if you put it over like a dress or something, you know, where there's no loops and you know you want it at like the smallest point of your waist, that was not gonna happen. And I was like, oh my god, what are they gonna do? But they were so helpful. They swapped it straight over for me, thank goodness, because I was having a low-key meltdown. Yeah, this is how it looks on. How cute is that? I absolutely adore it. I think it is so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed like the little bit of story behind it. I thought it'd be more interesting than just being like, here's the box, here's the dust bag, here's the belt, you're welcome. So yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to make it a little bit more interesting. But then we have the little accessory that I got as well. So when they were kind of boxing it up and bagging it up, and I'm sure they take you to this like middle bit where the jewelry and stuff is, just for some last minute kind of impulse purchases. That's fine, I can live with that. I could have just not looked, but I was looking, and there was this beautiful ring, massive ring. It was across 2 fingers. I posted on my Instagram stories, and some people love it, some people hate it. I love it. I love it so much for some reason. This is really beautiful. This is like a little satiny kind of bag, and it opens up and it's double lined, and then there's a little pouch inside where my little ring is. So this is the ring. It's kind of like a brass goldy color with some pearls. It is so ridiculous. I don't even know why I was drawn to it so much. So I used to absolutely love wearing rings. I would wear rings on nearly every finger. I'm just such a ring person. Like, rings were my accessory of choice. But when I started having problems with my hands and I was having arthritis, my joints were swelling, and then they go down, and then my whole finger would blow up, and then they go down. And I really like the style because having that gap, if my fingers start to swell, I will be able to take it off. But I also found that this size was just a really good fit. Like, it's a little bit big for this finger. It's a little bit tight for this finger, but then this hand, we can fit it on my middle finger, and then I think we can fit it on the ring finger too, but it's a bit loose. So this is the finger that it fits on the best. but having said that, it's still close to fitting the other one. So my fingers at the moment are pretty good. If they swell up, I have some other fingers that I'm going to be able to fit it on as well. So that makes me really, really happy. Since it sticks out so much, and then one of the pearls does have like the spikes all around it, I was kind of worried that, you know, maybe I'm gonna break it, but they did say again, you know, it's got the warranty, and I feel like it actually matches my nails again really well at the moment. And having the pearls, it's gonna match my belt. Being just like pearls and kind of brassy gold, it's gonna match so many different things. I feel like everyone kind of wants to always go black because it's gonna match everything, but pearls also kind of match everything. It's got the little spikes all around the side of the ring. It has like these little bits that come up with the pearls all the way around the edges, and then it's got the two big pearls on the top. This one has like the little spikes all over, and then the other pearl just has the little Gucci logo on the top as well. These pieces are also different and unique, and I haven't seen anything like them before, but at the same time, they're gonna remain quite timeless. The ring might date a little bit, but I actually just absolutely love it, so that's okay. I can live with that. The belt is obviously more of an investment, but I really can see it being something that is going to last me so long. I'm going to be able to wear it with jeans. I'm going to be able to wear it over the top of like nice work pants. I can wear it with dresses. I can wear it to like belted jacket. You can wear it with kind of anything, and I feel like it's going to match so many different outfits. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to thumbs up, drop a comment down below. Let me know, what have you been lusting over? What have you splurged on lately? What is on your wish list? If money wasn't an issue, let me know down below. I'd love to have a little chat down there. I feel like I might regret that because I'm going to be adding so many more things to my wish list of what I want and I can't afford, but oh well, it is what it is, isn't it? Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.